So, with 6 leftover ears of corn for my sheet pan shrimp boil, I turned to Chef John's Mexican street corn dip for inspiration and give it my own twist because I just cannot follow any recipe to save my life. Start by slicing the kernels from 6 ears of husked and trimmed corn into a large bowl. Chop up about a quarter of a yellow onion, just enough to add sweetness and texture later on. In a small bowl, combine 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a pinch of cayenne, and a quarter teaspoon of Mexican oregano. Give it a stir and set it aside. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once hot, toss in all the corn and press it into a flat layer. Chef John says, don't stir, let it char. But I am late and I play with my food. I couldn't resist stirring. I even added the chopped onion earlier than when I was supposed to. It smelled too good not to. Season the corn with most of the spice mix, just enough to coat, and let it keep cooking until it's no longer raw, but still crisp. This takes about 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Transfer the mixture to a container. Pro tip, I actually stored this in the fridge for 2 days until it was time to entertain. In a large bowl, add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of mayo, a third cup of Greek yogurt. That's my swap for sour cream, and half a cup of finely grated cotija cheese. Sprinkle in a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Then stir everything together until smooth and creamy. Now for the fun part. Squeeze in some fresh lime juice. Toss in about a third cup of chopped cilantro and fold in the sautéed corn and onion mix. Stir until it's all evenly combined and give it a taste. Mine was just right. And feel free to adjust the salt or heat if needed. Top with more fresh cilantro and serve it with tortilla chips, or better yet, a big plate of nachos to go with it. The dip came together just in time for our salsa canning day. Shared with friends, our daughter, and lots of good laughs. Creamy, smoky, with just enough kick. This Mexican street corn dip checks all the boxes. Thanks again, Chef John. It's crunchy, spicy, tangy, and packed with real corn flavor. A true crowd pleaser on salsa day. And the best part? This is just one dish in my growing sheet pan and party food series. Stick around for more crowd-friendly recipes, travel-inspired twists, and leftovers worth celebrating. I'll see you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my video. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.